10 and 10 and 10, or 10 and 20. So what will be the result?
True, sir.
True.
You will be confused now. See, what is the result?
Okay, true means we have to come here. Yes. 22.
Okay, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. What will be the result?
4.
Okay, 1 and 1 and minus 1. What will be the result?
False.
1.
Positive, negative.
1, I think so.
Positive or negative? Which one?
Positive, positive.
Positive one. What is the answer?
Minus.
Minus 1. 1 and 0 and this minus 1. What's the answer?
Minus. Minus.
Confusing? Okay, see, the answer will be 0.
Plus 1. Plus 1.
No, 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 no. Answer is 0. Why
How?
it is 0? Why it is minus 1? Why it is 4 here? Why it is 20? Let's discuss. So, see, where you are giving two true values, this is also true, this is also true. But PVM will check this, and after that it will check this also. Why? Because it cannot give a result true. So if this 10 means what? 10 means true. Any value, any integer value is what? True. This is also integer value, this is true. Okay, I mean the value which is not 0, that is true. So 10 is true, and this is also true. Okay, so it will check this, and it will come here to check this, and later on it will give the result as 20. Right, same here, it will check here 1, and then it will check here 2, and it will check here also 3, and it will check here 4. So means it is seeing all the positive value. So all the positive value, then in last it will give the last positive value. Right, in this case also 1 and minus 1. So minus 1 is also a value, but not a 0. If there is a 0, then it will give 0. So it will come here 1, and it will check minus 1. So answer is what? Minus 1. But here it will check 1, no issue, this is a true value. But this is what? False value. If there is any false, if there is any false value, it will not move further. It will not move further, it will stop immediately. So it will check 1, it will say okay, and then it will say 0. So it will say 1 and 0 is what? 0. So if anywhere you see 0, entire result will be 0. That is why here answer is 0. Understanding, guys? So for example, I am writing 100 and 200. So what will happen? It will check this, and it will check this, and finally it will give result as what? 200. Oh, sorry, 100 and 200. So what's the result? 200. So if I write here 0 and 200 and 300 and 400, okay, no matter how many time you are writing and values, once it will encounter 0, it will stop looking anywhere. It will not stop, it will not check anything. It will be blind. Once it will see the 0, who will see the 0? This AND operator. Once it will trigger the 0, it will become blind, and it will say entire community, entire thing is 0, entire expression is 0. So what it will say? 0. Getting, guys? Understanding or not?
Sir, yes.
Any confusion?
No.
That's great. So logical operators are used to combine one or more than one expression. So for example, if I write here 2 equal to 2 and 2 equal to 3. So this is what? True. The result is what? True. But here result is false because 2 is not equal to 3. So here is false and here is true. So anyone is false, the answer will be false.
False.
Right? Because why here it is false? Why it is not giving this expression? Because whenever you will use, this is what operation? I mean what operator? A relational operator. Whenever we use relational operator, the result evaluate in Boolean expression. Result will evaluate in which expression? Boolean expression. That is why false is coming. Tell me honestly, are you understanding or not understanding?
Yes, sir, understanding, sir.
What about girls?
Sir,
Understand.
All right, that's great. Next operator is what? Next operator is OR operator. Okay, so OR operator. Okay, so this table, the table which I will create, that is known as truth table, right? So I'll create the truth table. Okay, so first one is first operand OPR1, OPR2, OPR, OPR, and OPR2, 1 and 2.